Hey guys, today I decided to build something for our kids because right now she is over 3 and she would like to move her own bed, and then I decided to build a bed rail. Now I just went to the workshop and then I start getting all these pieces together. And I cut this round piece in the middle, um, and then I make some drawing here, which I will be making 2 holes on that, and then to attach it to the wood piece, and then one on the bottom also, like as you can see, and that will be sitting on the bed. Now we will attach the pieces with small wood sticks, some kind of the pieces like that, and then we will start gluing them afterwards according to the drawing. Okay, now I just put the glue and then catch them and then hold them for 20 minutes until they get dry. So we wait 20 minutes and we will be able to take out the holders. Now it's actually ready, and now I also put the screws on it, which will be sitting, and then we will screw a little bit on the bed just to hold it stable. Now, as you can see, the installation is done. Of course, if you guys would like to do the same, you can also paint it, or just leave it like this as I did. I hope you guys enjoy my project, and if you have any questions, please let me know.